guys, my name is Queen Esther and today we will be talking about tomatoes and grapes. Tomatoes and grapes are very good for your health. Fruit are natural and you can never have too much of them. You can never have too much of them in your body. So we will be starting with tomatoes. Tomatoes are fruit. Some people think that tomatoes are vegetables, but they are wrong. Tomatoes are fruit. Tomatoes can be used for salad, tomato ketchup, tomato puree, tomato jam, tomato salsa. Tomatoes get spoiled so quickly. If you have a lot of tomatoes, you can make it as puree or sliced and put them in the freezer, or you could put them in the freezer like this and use them whenever you want. Types of tomatoes are cherry tomatoes, Roma tomatoes, black currant tomatoes, Better Boy tomatoes, and a lot more. Tomatoes are a great source of vitamin C, potassium, folate, and vitamin K. Now we're moving on to grapes. Grapes are fruit. What can grapes be used for? You can add grapes to smoothies. You can make grape juice. You can make jelly out of grapes. You can make raisins out of grapes. You can make vinegar out of grapes. You can make wine out of grapes. And you can make jam out of grapes. Guess what? You can snack on grapes. So if it's nighttime and you're watching TV and you want to eat something, you could just go to your fridge, get grapes, and then eat grapes and watch TV at the same time. It's really good for you, and it's also harmless. The benefits of grapes are, grapes have vitamin C and vitamin K. Grapes prevent chronic diseases. The types of grapes are red grapes, purple grapes, and green grapes. Depending on which grapes you want to eat, each grape tastes different and each grape tastes good. And it's also harmless. If you have a lot of grapes, you can wash your grapes, put them in a Ziploc bag, and put them in your freezer and use them whenever you want to. Ooh, you see? I eat my grapes too. It's very yummy and it's very good. I could even watch TV and eat grapes at the same time. I believe you have learned one or two things from me today. Thank you for listening. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the videos and hit all notification buttons and share my videos so you can see the uploads. Bye!